Yo, yo.
So it says, how can we classify and categorize things? Read about how some farm animals sort hats.
Some farm animals sort hats?
Yeah, so it's, look, genre fantasy. So fantasy also means that it's fiction, right? It's not real.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a break.
Oh, fantasy.
Yeah. Okay, it's pretty fun. Fantasy. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What happened?
Can you give me a second? I think I need my iPad charger.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Wow. What a waste of time. What's that? Is it better? Okay. I don't have 9.
You don't have what?
I only have 9.
Were you able to charge it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, if it's charged, then you shouldn't have a problem.
I'm scared.
It's okay. But you connected it, right?
Yeah?
Yeah, and where the little battery is, do you see like the little lightning?
Yeah?
Okay, so that means it's charging, so don't worry, it's not gonna turn off. Okay. So, don't worry, okay? Alrighty, so look, this is Clark's farm. So who do you think Clark is?
Is it the horse?
Maybe, right? Maybe the horse or maybe somebody else. So let's see. Okay, so a barn full of hats. So
Oh, a barn full of hats.
everyone's wearing hats, right?
That's not right. Because it's a barn full of hats.
Yeah, so look, they have a box. What do you think this is?
A box full of hats.
Okay,
Or a box full of yarn. Who
Yeah.
makes it a hat?
that's true. So one day, 4 farm animals found a box in the barn. They opened it up. What was inside? Hats, and more hats.
Oh, it's not yarn.
Yeah, good guess though.
One day, 4 farm animals found a box of barn. They opened it up. What was inside? Hats, and more hats.
Very good. Look at all those hats. Who wants one? Asked Hen. I do, cried Horse. It's smart to wear a hat. A hat will keep the sun out of my eyes.
Look at all those hats. Who wants one? So hen, I do, cried Horse. It's smart to wear a hat. A hat keeps the sun out of my eyes. Why it says so? I have a question.
Yeah.
So just a minute. So it says hen. Do you think who's hen?
So hen is this one right here. So it's like a chicken.
Okay.
Yeah. Oops. So hold on.
Then why the horse in my eyes?
Hold on. I lost the page. Okay, so yeah, Hen is asking, so look, let's look at the picture. So Hen is asking, right? They're looking at the box full of hats and Hen is saying, well, who wants a hat from this box? And then Horse says he wants one, right? Because he wants to keep the sun out of his eyes.
But why it says my eyes, not my skin? My skin.
Well, because if you wear a hat, you know, it's going to protect your eyes too. It will protect your face from the sun, but it also protects your eyes from the sun hitting it directly. Okay. So there they are looking. Hen stuck her head in the box. She pulled out a flat, round hat. Try this hat, Hen told Horse. No, that hat is too flat, said Horse. A flat hat makes a good nest, clucked Hen. So she took the hat and she marched away.
But they make a nest with like these things, right? But why they need a hat to make them?
I don't know, maybe they're going to put it like a little blanket on top of the nest. Okay, go ahead.
So Hen stuck her head in the box. She pulled out a flat round hat. Try this hat, Hen told Horse. No, that hat is too flat, said Horse. A flat hat makes a good nest, like Hen. So he took the hat and she marched away. So Cluck is
Yeah, exactly.
That hat's like a good nest.
Okay. Pig pushed his head into the box. He pulled out a bright red hat. Put on this hat, Pig told Horse. No, that hat is too red, said Horse. A red hat looks fine, grunted Pig. So he put on the hat and he marched away.
So Grandpa Pig, Grandma is
Yeah.
But they said put. Wait. Put. That means he puts a hat.
So Pig is telling Horse to put on the hat, right? The red hat.
I can see the red hat.
Let's see.
If I like it.
Oh, look at that. It's like a cap.
I love this one and this one.
I like the purple one.
Yeah, it looks like a blanket, not like a hat at all.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, what happened? Right. So, Pig pushed his head in the hat. He pulled out a bright hat. Put this hat. Wait, put on this hat, Pig told Horse. No, that hat is too red, said Horse. The red hat looks fine, Pig said he. Put the hat and march away.
Do you think the red hat looks good? Oops, hold on. Do you like how it looks on Pig?
Yes, it looked like a smart brother. It looked very smart.
Yeah.
I like it.
Good. Okay. So next, Cat poked her head in the box. She pulled out a thick yarn hat. Try this hat, Cat told Horse. No, that hat is too thick, said Horse.
And it's too hot. It's very, this and warm. So if I play tennis just for 10 minutes, my hair will be like I have a shower. So no.
Yeah. You need something to cool you off, right? Not to warm you up.
Yeah, if I play tennis, I don't like wear a hat because it makes me hot.
Okay.
No?
Yeah.
Maybe more hot. Alright. Hat poke her head. Poke. You know that's for poke?
Yeah, but also it means to kind of just go like that.
Like, this is a hat. You go down to the box, right?
Yep, exactly.
Alright. Cat poke her head in the box. You pull out a thick yarn hat. Try this hat. Cat told horse, no, that hat. That hat is too thick, said horse. Cat and hat have a rhyme.
They
Hat,
rhyme.
Hat.
What letters rhyme? Yeah, exactly.
80.
Good. So, thick yarn is nice, said Cat. I will take the whole hat apart so I can play with the yarn. She dragged the hat away. So many hats, but none for me, sighed Horse.
Thick hats are nice, said Hat. I will take the whole hat apart so I can play with the yarn. She tucked the hat away. So many hats, but none for me, sighed Horse.
Okay. So the cat's gonna play with the hat instead of wearing it, right?
Yeah, but if you look at winter, they have also snow, and it's very cold.
Yeah, that's true.
And you're gonna need a warm hat, just like this one.
Yeah. Okay. Just then, Farmer Clark came into the barn. His hat was large and floppy. If only I had that hat, said Horace. That hat will shade my eyes. Horace grabbed the hat and in his teeth.
Let me see. What's the hat look like?
Oh, wow, look at that.
I can see it.
You can't see it? I just
Okay. Oh, he looks so cute.
So this man's name is Clark. So the farm belongs to him.
And he has a ring. Look. A ring.
Okay.
That means he's a pirate.
A pirate? A pirate and
Yeah.
a farmer? Okay, go ahead.
Just then, Farmer Clark came into the barn. His hat was large and floppy. If only I had that hat, said Horse. I will make shade on my eyes. Horse grabbed the hat in his teeth.
Okay.
What happened? It would break the farmer.
Oh, look. Farmer Clark laughed. He put the hat on Horse. It stayed on with no trouble. It fits well, Farmer Clark said. Horse trotted to the barnyard. Clip, clop. He held his head high. Yes, this is the hat for me, said Horse.
Farmer Clark laughed. He puts the hat on Horse. It stays with no trouble. It fits well, Farmer Clark said. Horse rode to the backyard. Clip, clop. He held his head high. Yes, this is the hat for me, said Horse. So Horse is sad.
Why is he sad?
Mad. Sad and mad because there are no hat. But now, in the present, he is happy.
Right, he's happy. So
And
look at
very
these
proud.
words. Yeah. So look at these words. Clip, clop. What are these?
Onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia. Very good. Okay. Oh, wait. I think I skipped something here. Okay, so make connections. How can you classify and categorize things to wear? So imagine, so you're gonna visualize, okay? So imagine a big box full of hats. Okay, so think about hats like the ones that we read about. So the one that the horse was wearing, the one made out of yarn, that's very hot. The red one, the purple one. So if you had this huge box with hats, how would you classify and categorize them?
So with the season, so hot, like which one I should wear is summer. Summer, no hat. So actually I'm thinking about the color and the weather.
Okay, very good. Yeah. That's a very good way of classifying it.